Hello everyone. So first of all, my name is Abdul Rauf, and today we're gonna talk about Numpy. So let's start our video. First of all, what is Numpy? Well, Numpy is a powerful Python library for numerical computing, enable difficult, efficient arrays, operation, mathematical functions, and data manipulation, essential for data science. Okay, so let's see how can we get and use our Numpy. First, you have to install Numpy. You can do this easily by using pip install Numpy on your command line or in your VS Code prompt, command line command. Okay, command prompt that you can use it in your Python code by importing it. After installing, you can import it by import numpy as np. Np is the license, like we already know that. So for using the numpy, you have to install the necessary things like Python, which is very necessary. Without Python, you can't use numpy. So because it is the Python library. Okay, so you have to need Python first, then you can use the pim install numpy and then import numpy as np. Okay, so after that, let's create some arrays in with numpy. So creating an array is easy. First, you have to assign array a value which is np dot array 1 2 3 4 5 in square bracket with the outer brackets. Okay, now after you print the array, you can see something like this: array is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Now it is look like a list, but it's not list, it is an array. Yes, you can see here np dot array. Well, you might think the list, what is the difference between list and array? Look both similar, huh? Well, let's see the difference between them. Well, list and numpy are almost similar in case, but there are some difference like the speed, the memory, and the other things. First, let's talk about speed. If I do the same task with list and numpy, and you can see the time both take. List take 0.12345 second, and numpy takes 0.012345 seconds. So numpy was fast here, so it was efficient with the more fast task. Like if you're doing machine learning tasks which take many hours of training, so where you can use numpy for some change in time. And also you can see the size matters too. If you're doing some task and you have to save the memory, you can use the numpy arrays. Now here you can see lists with the same task. List take 8056 byte, 8056 bytes, and numpy take 8000 bytes. So yeah, numpy was efficient here too. There is a down edge too, like in list you can use multiple data types, but in numpy you cannot use multiple data types. You can only use one type. Okay, and also numpy array has more functionality than the list. So numpy array is efficient and useful for machine learning, AI, and data science tasks. Okay, so let's see the array operation. First, you have to first array 1, which you will assign the number np dot array 1 2 3, and in array 2 you assign np dot array 5 4 5 6. Now you are doing some operation like adding both arrays, array 1 and array 2. You can subtract 2 and multiply 2 if you like, but I only do sum. And you can see 4 plus 5 is equal to 6, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and then you can see the result too, output. Okay, now after that, let's see some more operation like matrix multiplication, which is very common task in machine learning algorithms. So first you are assigning the matrix 1 with two columns in one row, and in the matrix 2 you are also assigning two columns in one row matrix. First matrix is 1 2 3 4, and second matrix is 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now you are doing dot product of both. You can easily do by np dot dot and matrix 1 and matrix 2, and you get that dot product. Okay, so it is very easy with this. If you try to do this with list, it will be very difficult and very complex. Okay, now after that, let's see some more operation like statistical operations, where you're calculating mean and standard deviation, which are essential in data analysis. First, you are creating a data with the np dot array. After that, you're doing mean operation. After that, you can also doing standard derivation, both operation. Mean, like after adding all the value, summing all the value, you will divide it by the numbers of value, like 1 2 3 4 5, total value divided by 5, and you get the mean. And student derivation was like that too, and you can see the both result here too. Okay, so after that, another task is generating random numbers, which is very important in machine learning when you're doing training some model with random data. Okay, so here you can see you can create a random with the np dot random dot rand 5. You create the 5 random values, and you can see here the 5 random values. Okay, so yeah, this was all. It was a basic intro about the numpy. I hope you like it, and still there is more to cover. So I hope you you like it, and if you like it, please consider to support. And yeah, this was all. Thank you. See you later.